In this session of our breastfeeding training, we tackle the moments when nature needs a little helping hand. At the Parentis program, we believe that having a few troubleshooting tools in your pocket is exactly what makes you a more prepared and more relaxed parent. What happens when the liquid gold just won't flow? From fatigue to a busy schedule, many things can temporarily slow down your letdown reflex, but the solution is often simpler than you think. Today, we're sharing expert-backed natural techniques to encourage your body back into rhythm. From the power of a warm shower to the science of gentle massage, stay with us to discover how to get your milk moving and your baby feeding happily. If your milk letdown seems to pause, don't worry. This is a common experience, and your body just needs a gentle reminder of what to do. Dr. Catalin Charley, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, shares the best methods to encourage the reflex. There are different methods to help this reflex to work better. For example, relaxation techniques, or a warm compress on the breast, or taking a warm shower could help for the letdown reflex to function better. You should massage the breast with gentle circular motions, moving closer and closer to the areola, pressing the milk down. Additionally, you should apply a warm compress, and when the milk starts to flow, you should put your baby onto your breast, and it will be easier for the baby now. The best stimulation of all. While you may see many products on the shelves, such as herbal teas or supplements designed to boost supply, the most powerful tool you have is already in your arms. Dr. Catalin Charley continues, you can buy teas with different herbs in the shops to help to produce more, but the best stimulation is that you put your baby onto your breast. Baby's frequent and thorough sucking will successfully trigger the milk production. By combining these physical nudges, like warmth and massage, with the frequent presence of your baby at the breast, you create the perfect environment for your hormones to take over and do their job. Remember, breastfeeding is a skill that you and your baby are learning together. Some days will be smoother than others, but with these techniques, you can overcome those temporary hurdles with confidence and ease. Now that we've mastered how to get the milk flowing, it's time to look at the mechanics of the feeding itself. If you found these practical tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Parentis program. Coming up next, we dive into the details of positioning and technique in The Correct Way to Breastfeed. We'll see you there. Please note that all the content of the Parentis program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. Also, please ensure you read our legal statement.